Hello there, one Kenobi, or more like one Vicki, because if you're familiar with LoRaWAN, you probably know the Vicki thermostat already. So there's something new, because if we look at the backplate right here, MClimate announced last year that they will be bringing out a new backplate, and I have one with me that we're gonna unbox today. I got this from IoT Shop, and it's very straightforward. It's just the backplate right here. But if we put them side by side, we can see some improvements that MClimate has made, namely the metal shaft right here, right? This is a metal shaft that goes into the Vicki compared to the little plastic one here. Way more sturdy, way more reliable, and yeah, built for more operations. Then you can see there's this metal cover right here, and if you turn the device to the side, the backplate right here, you can see it's actually made from full metal, and this is to ensure compatibility and also give it a lot more strength than the previous back bracket right here, where it was like, yeah, very plasticky kind of fit. But now we have this made in full metal, which is great for thermostats, because you may bump into them, you may, you know, cause some ruckus if you move around, and so this gives the Vicki extra stability. You can attach this and you turn it around once you install it, and if you look closely while installing it, there's also a top mark right here. I can show it right here, and this means that you put this on top so the Vicki faces the right direction, and you can actually read what's on the display that's integrated in here. But yeah, that's the unboxing of the new backplate. I got this just now, and I will deploy it in the kindergarten that we're using the Vickis for to control the heating there. So, but yeah, that's it. There's not much to say. A very strong, sturdy bracket, a few euro upgrade for your Vickis, which I think is a great addition to the 4.6 firmware that they also brought out last year. And so the Vicki got a huge upgrade in my opinion, and is now, yeah, again, king of the thermostats right now in the LoRaWAN business, as far as I'm concerned, that is. Yeah, that's it. That's the unboxing, and I say, see you later. This is Robert from Kayna-Funkt.